guys, it's Linda and I'm back again with another video. I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. I got a lot of cute girly items, so I cannot wait to show you everything I got. They have the cutest little girl things in the toy section, so I'm gonna go through that first because some things for my daughter's birthday because it's just cute and girly, and my daughter is like the ultimate cute girly girl, so I just had to get these. I found this cute little dress up kit. It comes with, so this isn't really a tiara, it's more of a headband. It comes with a ring, 2 clip-on earrings, and a necklace. And my daughter's favorite color is pink. This is the ultimate girly girl little kit, and it's a really nice little basket stuffer. And then the next thing, when I saw this, I was so excited. And I'm not even a little girl, but how cute is this? They had so many different crowns. This was the one that I thought my daughter would like because it has stars on it and it's pink and purple, and those are her favorite colors. They also had a butterfly one. They had like a bunch of different tiaras, and this is like a legit little tiara. And then it also comes with a set of clip-on earrings and their little hearts. Like, this is just too adorable. Next in the toy section, I found this magic kitchen sink. How cute! Dollar Tree really stepped it up with their toys. I mean, they better have for that extra $1.25. Come on. So this is what it comes with. It comes with a full sink with soap, a sponge, some dishes, a little rack for, I guess, like washing the dishes, and then a hanging rack to dry the dishes. And then it actually comes with a little faucet. And from what I saw, you can actually hook this up to water because there's a tube that makes the faucet functional. So I don't know, I thought this was really cool. It says install the faucet on the catheter, pour water into the basin, press the faucet, and enjoy your little sink. This is a really nice little basket stocking stuffer for Christmas if you guys want to do that early. Little additional gift filler. Like, I don't know, I think this is cool. Next, I found this Gabby's Dollhouse bath playtime activity. My daughter loves Gabby's Dollhouse. She has like a couple of the little toys. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, I'm definitely going to give this to her. So it comes with these little foamy bath sets. I'm not really sure what they do, but it just says create fun scenes in the bathtub, and then they like stick to the wall. I think they're sponges, but either way, they're super cute, and I know my daughter's gonna love it. Also, for my daughter, I got this really cute fringe banner. It just has like a bunch of different fringy metallic banner pieces. I just think this is going to be so cute for decorating her room. I like to decorate for my kids' birthdays. And then this one is a tassel garland, and look at how pretty. It's just so girly, has holographic to it, and it's just a garland made of really cute little colorful tassels. I actually was really excited when I saw this because my daughter loves Shopkins. I found this Shopkins little bakery set that I'm going to use for my daughter's birthday. Like, I can't believe first the Gabby's Dollhouse, then the Shopkins. Like, Dollar Tree with the kids name brand things is awesome. So all I gotta do is get the cake, and these are the little cake toppers. It's gonna look so cute. So this is like a little cake that goes on top of the cake. We got the candles, and then these are the little things that we put the candles in, and then some little rings. And it's supposed to look like this, but I think it's so adorable. All right, so now we're gonna get into the rest of the haul, which is beauty things. It's just gonna get girlier from here. This is just for my girly girls. This next item I actually got in the makeup section, but it's also gonna go in that little gift basket that I'm creating for my daughter. So this is a mini beauty case, and it is a little plastic or acrylic little luggage case. But it's supposed to be like for makeup, or like a beauty blender. I'm not really sure, but this is what it looks like. Oh, it actually goes up and down. It's a little luggage case, and it actually opens, and it has a little latch that opens and closes. So I'm just planning on using this. I'm gonna put like little candies in here, or like little lip glosses or something. But I thought this was really, really cute. So this was in the makeup section. I found this makeup brush holder. This is a really nice size, and I would definitely recommend this if you need a solid pencil case for school, because it's a really good size. Or if you're going to be traveling, you can put your toothpaste and your toothbrush. It's a really, really good case, and they had different designs, but my favorite color is purple, so I got this little purple design, but they had like a cherry one. I think they had like a lemon one. They had a bunch of really cute ones, but I just loved this color. So for your traveling needs, you can put whatever you want in here. Like I said, makeup brushes, lip pencils, eyeliners, whatever it is you need. So I thought this was nice, and it's a really good quality container. The next items I found were press-on nails. I have been really loving press-on nails. Like, I feel like you would never know. I've been giving my real nails a break from the manicures, because I have probably had a manicure once a month for like the past almost 3 years now. And I'm like, I need a break. So I'm still getting my pedicures, girl. Like, I need those. But as far as my nails go, I let them breathe. I kind of switch over between nail polish and press-ons. And I just love press-ons because it's a really nice way to have a good manicure. And with good glue, they last. These usually last me like about a week, and I like being able to change them. So, and these are from Dollar Tree too. So do not sleep on Dollar Tree. Their press-ons are great. So let me show you the ones that I got. So first, these two are by the brand Be Color, and they have kind of like a similar like almond shape to them, and they are so cute. They're like little French tips with a little accent nail design. So these have like the purple and green vibe with little squigglies, and these are pink and baby blue with little flowers. I just found these to be so cute. Next three are by LA Colors. So these are so pretty. Like I said, purple is my favorite color. These are the petite nails. It's kind of, it's really hard to see, but they're a really pretty light purple, and they have like a holographic kind of shimmer to them. And this is a great length for me. I like kind of short, so even when I get them done and I get the gel overlay over my nails, my natural nails that grow out long eventually, I don't like to get them too long, so this is the perfect length for me. And the other two LA Color nails are the same kind of like short squared nails. This one's just like an all blue, and then this one is white and blue, kind of like an accent blue line design. And I just found these to be really cute, and like I said, it's really easy to just throw on a set of press-on nails and have a good manicure for 5 days. So I found these to be really cute. Next, so I'm showing these after the nails because I'm going to use them on my nails. These are the Ioni Lash Jewels set. It says that they're jewels like to add on to lashes, but I don't really wear lashes anymore. So I thought these would be great for press-ons, like to add little bedazzle to the nails. So this side is like all different pearls, I guess. They're like different sizes. And then this other side is crystal, like rhinestones. They're very, very pretty, and it's a nice little container too. And then it kind of shows you how to use it. You can either use it like in a makeup look or on synthetic lashes. Either way, I think that's really cool. Like, I'm a makeup artist, so I always like to have stickers, stencils, gems, and all kinds of things in my kit because you never know who might like them. So I really like these, but I think I'm going to use these for my nails because they're the perfect size. They're really, really small, and I think they'll look really nice as little details, little accent nails. So Ioni, Ione girl. Next in containers, makeup, beauty, I got this Sassy and Chic eyelash case. They had different ones, but I really like this little pink with the cherries. So let me open it up so you guys can see it. This is great for traveling, so you don't have to carry so many lashes. I personally intend to use this in my kit for when I'm doing my freelance makeup appointments, so I don't have to carry so many packs of lashes. It is, you can put 3 sets of lashes here, and then it has a mirror, perfect for travel. And it's really solid, really good quality. So I highly recommend these for my makeup artist girlies or my girlies that are traveling and don't want to carry around all the boxes and different packs of lashes. Get you one of these. Next, in makeup tools, I have this Sassy and Chic makeup sponge. And what really caught my eye about this is that it's a coffee container. And I'm a coffee girl, so I fell in love. This is the sponge. It's a beautiful little espresso brown. And then the container that, you can travel with it and, whatever you might need it for. It is a Sassy and Chic coffee cup. So I thought this was adorable. Truthfully, I probably am not going to use this and I'm going to give it to my daughter because she loves to play Starbucks and she loves to get me, lattes and scones and bagels and donuts and her little pretend Starbucks that she has in her room. So I'm gonna give this to my daughter to play with, but it's just so cute. I love it. The next product is a Eco Tools exfoliating sponge. I love Eco Tools. Like, they are great brand for sponges and brushes. So when I saw it at Dollar Tree, I was like, I have to have it. I absolutely love it. Ooh, this is really good quality. So it comes with a string. I guess we don't need that. Eco Tools, you put your finger there, you wet your sponge, you put your cleanser, whatever it is, you exfoliate the face. Ooh, it's really soft and gentle. I like that. It's not gonna scrape away your face, but it does have a texture to it that is gonna buff and exfoliate your skin gently. It's really nice, and I love this color. So Eco Tools sponge at Dollar Tree. So next, I got some things in the craft section, kind of going along with the container type of vibe that I've been doing. These are the Crayon Box, and they always have these back to school time or whatever, and they come in different colors, but I got the basic clear case, and it's just a crayon case because the boxes that crayons usually come in, they always end up ripping, breaking, the kids lose them, and you got crayons everywhere. So these are really good containers to keep your kids' crayons in, and you can personalize them, add stickers, put their names on it, whatever. I personally use these containers for my makeup kit. These are really good size to keep Q-tips, to keep disposable wands, like lip wands, eyelash wands, whatever. I have like disposable eyeliner wands too in my kit. So I like this container because I usually carry around a bigger container with all of my disposables, but I wanted something a little more compact, so that's why I got this. Next, I was really excited when I saw this, and I'm actually feeling like I should have bought more, but I only bought one. This was the Crafter's Square Craft Box. This is such a good quality container, first off, and it has 9 separate containers in them. So you just open it up, and then you get these 9 different compartments with 9 individual containers, and these are some really nice quality acrylic containers with lids. You can put foundations, powders, lipstick. If you're a crafter, you can put beads, gems, acrylic paints, whatever it is that you need here. And what I really like about this is that you don't even need to keep these containers in here because the storage is already have these little compartments. So the possibilities are endless. Like, you could really use these little containers and this container in many different ways. I may need to get more. I specifically got this because I have a very special makeup appointment that I have coming up that is going to require me to have a lot of my makeup put in disposable containers and then toss them. I'm not gonna say too much. Well, I guess I can say it. But I am going to be doing makeup on a deceased person soon. So there are a lot of just hygiene, safety precautions that I have to take. So that's why I got this, but I'm definitely going to be getting more of these for future makeup purposes. We're almost at the end, girl. Bear with me. This was just in the supply section, so I thought I'd add it. I got this really good pen. It is by Journaling Ink, and it is a Magna Tank pen. I actually purchased this before and I loved it, so I had to get another one. Dollar Tree has some really good pens if you want yourself a really good pen. And it's just a nice ink pen, and it writes and glides really nice, and it has a nice little professional look to it. So I just got this. So that is all for today's girly Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.